Army get ready for heartwarming interactions. BTS RM recently took to Instagram to give a shout out to the fourth generation boy group, the BOYZ. In a delightful gestures, RM shared a picture of the boys' latest album, Two Six Scenes, on his Instagram story, tagging their official account with a heart emoji. While RM has not interacted with the boys' publicity, the message on the album cover caught the attention. In the message, the boys Eric addressed RM and Huge, expressing inspiration and gratitude for the rapper's advice, hinting at a positive senior-junior dynamic. It's always heartening to see camaraderie between artists across different groups. What are your thoughts on RM's shout out to the boys? Share your excitement in the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates.